having a hard time getting motivated today, but I'm forcing myself to get up and get out here. And I decided to clean out this bench. I guess this is one of the seats like this one next to the table. The other side is pretty cleaned out, just a couple of things in there, but this one I wanted to go through and pull out what I don't need and organize what I'm going to need and leave in here. Still haven't worked on getting the coffee cups hung up there, but I'll get there. I don't know why I'm in a down funk, non-motivated, but last couple of days I haven't even felt like doing a whole lot, which is weird because last night I slept for almost 10 hours. These things I got at the dollar store. And if you have a shower door that's glass or brick glass in your shower, anything that gets water spots, hard water buildup, these work great. What you do is you just use this on, where is it? You just use this on the hard water spots or what's left over, and you use it on the glass that's dry, really bone dry, and the hard water spots will come off like chalk off a chalkboard. It just comes off in like a powder. So these work really good for removing water spots. Okay, that's empty. I hate the fact that to clean up a mess, I usually end up making a mess to clean up a mess. What's up with that? Because when I came in here to start this, anyway, when I came in here to start this, it was clean in here, and I have pretty much made another mess. I don't know. Kind of frustrating, but oh well. Alright, I'm going to open up this one and take the stuff out of it, just so both sides are empty. Take these flooring tiles back in the house. Still got to figure out where to put my map of the USA with the stickers. I haven't figured it out yet. Yep, 3 things. Yeah, I'll leave that open because I'm going to vacuum it out. But it's a pretty good size space in there. Actually, it's not that dirty, but I'm still going to vacuum it out. May as well start clean, right? I was talking or sent a text message to the lady, Sylvia, that I bought this TrailManor from, asking her if the table has to be folded up and put down or not, and she sent a message back, yes, it needs to be shut down because it wiggle around so much. So I'm going to put this table down, or try to. I guess this cabinet needs to come out first. I guess that's it.